Our next set of exercises and assignment concentrates on developing a user interface for a chat client. In this set of exercises, we will explore the use of further Android UI widgets like list view, and also look at using layouts. In addition, as the final step, we will look at the use of material design aspects in our user interface. As a first step in this exercise, we will develop a simple chat client application. This application will allow the user to input a message, and when the send button is clicked, the message will be added to the list of messages in the user interface. So for example, we can type in a message, and then when you hit the send button, the message is added to the list of messages here. This exercise takes the help of a list view for showing the messages, and also uses a linear layout enclosing an edit text field and a send button that enables the users to type in their messages. In the second step, as part of an assignment, you will modify the simple chat client into a full-fledged chat client, which will display both incoming messages as well as the messages you type on the screen. So for example, this is simulated interaction with a distant user who is communicating with you using this chat client. So for example, if you type in, say hi, and then you would see an incoming message coming in from the other user, and then and so you can continue on with the conversation as you see. So here you can clearly see both the incoming messages as well as the messages you type to send to the other user on the screen. This exercise takes the help of the list view, but here we are using a custom adapter for the list view, whereby you are able to display the two messages in two separate ways. You have the incoming message on the left side and the outgoing message on the right side, oriented towards the right side of the screen. In our final modification to the chat client application, we add in a feature that enables you to display a list of contacts, and then you can select one of those contacts and then start messaging with that particular friend. So this takes the help of two activities, one being the contacts activity and the second one being the chat client activity. So when you select one of the friends, then the chat client activity will open on the screen and then enable you to communicate with your friend. And so on. So in this simulated conversation, we are showing the features of the user interface for the chat client application. Now, this modification to the chat client application takes advantage of, first and foremost, the material design that is part of the new Android platform. We have developed this application to be backward compatible up to API 18 by using the compatibility libraries. In addition, we are using the recycler view for displaying the messages. We are using the styling that is available in material design to put in various colors for the user interface, and also use an image button on the screen in place of the send button.